Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Talks Fluence with Durga. And before starting in this video, I would like request to all of you, if you like the video, subscribe my channel and share with your friend and colleague. Without wasting your precious time, let's get into the video. And today in this video, I'm gonna talk about how to communicate confidently in English, right? And before start in this topics, I would like to say and I would like to request to all of you, please don't skip the video and watch the till the end. And if you watch in this video till the end, then definitely you can understand at least something, right? Without further ado, come to the main topics. If you are someone who feel nervous while talking to someone, then this video is for. And in this video, especially I mentioned some techniques which is very effective for you. And first techniques is you have practiced lot, right? As much as you can practice, right? And without practice nobody can anything. And just I want to say quote and quote, practice make the person perfect. And also if we talk about confidence, and confidence come from practice and mindset and consistency, right? And if you are quite consistency, then definitely you can achieve at least some things where you want to reach. If you are unable to reach that level, but you will be half of the way, but it's sufficient for you, right? You don't think to be perfect. And if you are waiting for the perfecting, then it's a too delay. And where you have been standing right now, yeah, whatever knowledge you have to start from that. And once you start, then automatically your brain functioning differently and you start to learning at least something. And over the times you will be champions in that particular field. And I want to say through this video, and if you are curious to learn something regarding to English, then you have to practice a lot. And you have to watch YouTube video regarding to English and consistency. And if you're thinking right now, I want to become champions, yeah, become fluent in English, and you want to become good orator in English, then you have to practice a lot, as well as you have to watch the video a regular basis. And I want to say you have to start from basic sentence, right? Come here, go there. It's like a present simple tense, like I go to market, I go to market, I go to school, she writes a letter, he play footballs, like that sentence, right? And over the times you will touch different kind of sentence, auxiliary types of sentence, and attractive phrases. And it is a kind of process to improve our communication skill fastest way and effective way. And if you are thinking and what if I make mistake, then everybody, yeah, other persons laugh at me. And if you're thinking like that, then you are quite wrong. And you should not think like that. And you think, how can I improve my skill fastest way and better way and competitive way. And just you have to start, and knowledge come automatically to your brain. And automatically you can speak fluently in front of mass crowd, yeah, individual guy, yeah, mass crowd, no matter who are standing in front of you. Just you think only on how can I represent better than ever. If we talk about error, then even native English speaker make lot of mistake in grammar, right? And if we talk about ourselves, then we are born in India, and English is not our native language. It is second third language for us. It's depend on your state wise. If you born in a southern part of India, then maybe English is second language. But if I talk about northeast, then English is the third fourth language, right? And this way we should not scared about a mistake, and we have to start from the zero. And over the times we will get that level. And initial days each and every one face that issue, and that times nobody have the confidence that level. And over the times each and every ones feel comfortable by their practicing. And it's help you a lot to improve your confidence level and boost your communication skill, right? And I don't want to make this video lengthy. And if you still haven't subscribed my channel, then please subscribe my channel and share with your friend and colleagues. And don't forget to like and comment. And if you get mistakes during the making conversation times, yeah, making the video time, then please write down in the comment section, and I'll try to rectify that mistake for the next video. And you will wait for the next video. Next video will be very effective and impactful for student candidates.